Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing guys how to use the Stormworks mission editor. So yeah, let's get to work. So now load the game as it. It's taking freaking long. It's only been like 5 seconds, but yeah, whatever. Okay, there we go. We are spawning. Okay, so I'm right on in here. So I'm in my game right now. Okay. Oh, I do have a boat there. So, let me despawn this first. Actually, I didn't do that through there, but yeah. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click escape on your keyboard. I'm basing this off keyboard. I don't think they have for any other whatever you be using, so I don't think they'll have that. Okay. So I'm going to click on your mission editor right here. The first thing you want to do is you want to click environmental mods. Click the place you want to edit. So I'm going to be clicking the creative base. This is where I am. Basically what you do is right here. Select location is how you change this location to something else. What you do is you click edit object. And right in here, and this is what you're going to see. So right on in here, what you're going to do is you're going to move over to where you want to place your object. So I found this, I built on workshop. I want to test out. Go check it out here. Right here. ATC tower. So first thing you want to do in here is you want to go down to the place you would like to place your object. And just place it right there. So the next thing you can do is, what you can do is you can add characters, so you can place it right there, and then you can click on this thing again, and you can give other outfits. So you can give them military outfits, and no special equipment. And then the next thing you can do is you can add an object, such as blocks, I'm pretty sure. So you can do add crates, a bunch of different stuff, lots of them. They have a bunch of different good ideas you can use. So we can do box opened, bunch of different stuff like that. Okay. So the next thing you can do in here is what you got in here is you have, this is a spawn your vehicle. This is how you used it. This is flares. Let's set that down. See right here, you can change their color. You can change what they look like, all that stuff like that. You also can spawn fires, which is how if you want to do a mission where you have fire and stuff like that, so you can make your fire size really big, make it is lit, and you can make it explosive, and you can make it 3.0. Do a bunch of different stuff. You can add loot boxes, you know, stuff that give you money. So if you're doing it where, what you can do, basically what you can do with these is you can make it so that you can do missions, or if you want to spawn loot, if you're playing with multiple people, you can spawn that in there. And basically you can make it so they get money and stuff, then you can use it to fight. You can add animals, so this place is right in here. Basically you can change it from a shark, I don't know why the heck I don't have a shark, a stick of seal. That'd be just fun to have. And then right here, then you can add ice. You can edit their size, make it tinier, ice variant to right there. Next thing you want to do is you want to click on these 3 lines as your playlist overview. And right on in here, you can click test location. So you want to make sure you're at this said location you want to test it out as. And ba-ding! Here's a chest. I got more money. Here's a fire. And this guy. Oh, and here's a seal. See? So this is how it works. So basically what you can do is you can make it so this thing can be pushed. Which I made it you can't. Basically you can spawn builds you made, so you make builds in your workshop that you want to test out, or you know those builds how people make like cranes along here, or they edit this shape of stuff and stuff like that. This is how they do it. They build stuff in their workshop, and then what they'll do is they'll build an area, and then you can use the mission editor to place it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you like this. Hope this video helped you. If it doesn't, go to Mr. N Jersey's channel, I think it's called, and he can help you out a bit better. But still, please watch my videos and If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And, yeah. There you go.